Welcome to Optymatch.ai, precision matching that drives better hiring. This guide will help you navigate each step of the Optymatch platform so that you can use the software efficiently.
In this video, we'll dive into adding candidates to a job. Adding candidates to a job in Optymatch is quick and simple. You can do this either from the Jobs tab or from the Talent pool. First, let's look at how to add candidates from the Jobs tab. Start by navigating to a job. You can either open the job by clicking on its name or click directly on the Add Candidates button. This opens a pop-up showing all the candidates available in your database. From here, you can add candidates in multiple ways. You can manually select one or more candidates from the list and click Save. The selected resumes will be added to the job immediately. You can also upload new candidates directly from your laptop or desktop. Simply select the files and click Save. The resumes will be uploaded, parsed by the AI, and added to the job. Optymatch also provides AI-powered recommendations. The AI scans your entire database and suggests candidates that may be a good fit for the job, based on the job description and the skills you've defined. These recommendations are generated quickly by analyzing the index data across your database, helping you shortlist relevant profiles faster. You can further refine your selection using filters. For example, you can filter resumes by upload date or navigate to a specific folder. Select all candidates in that folder and add them to the job in one action. Once you click Save, the candidates are added. You can view the complete list by navigating back to the job page, where all mapped candidates are displayed in one place. You can also add candidates from the Talent pool. Here, you can apply filters based on skills or other criteria. For example, if you search for business development, all candidates with that skill will appear. You can select the relevant profiles and click Add to Job, choose the job, and map the candidates instantly. That's it. This is how easily you can add candidates to a job in Optymatch, whether you're working from the Jobs module or directly from the Talent pool.
Optymatch. Hire right, hire fast.